So the other day I did a video about how when you're by yourself and you can scream and make loud noises, you can let go of your pain and anger and frustration. And then you can also do fun sounds like yeehaw without, annoying people or feeling like a social outcast in public because no one else is confident to do that. Well, there are people that are confident to do that, but it's not always well reciprocated. So this is super important because Eliot Hulse did a thing on bioenergetics, and we were pretty much abused as children. We were forced to sit in chairs for 8 hours for 12 years. And which is horrible for your fucking mind, body, spirit, and soul. Especially your back, your lower back. So, we rarely got time to do these things. So at recess, we could do stuff like that, and it was fine. I mean, kids, you always hear them hooping and hollering. It's like the one place when they're at school at recess that they don't get shamed and mentally tortured for letting the energy flow through their body. We become stagnant in our energy, and it causes disease. It causes inflammation in the body. It also causes us to lose our voice. We don't like to speak out. A lot of people, when they're done with school, they don't like to learn anymore. Anyway, there's research about how the school system was just set up for military. And obviously the military doesn't really give a fuck about you. Only 40 bands and some... Even if it was fucking 500 bands to join the military, you still can fucking die. So there's 100,000,000 other things you can do besides join the military, even if they were paying 500 million for you to join the military. I personally wouldn't put my life on the line, knowing that I don't really have any power or control over my taxes, and that they're trying to cut people's retirement and all that shit, from what I've heard. It's like, it sounds fucking crazy. You got 90-year-olds ready to strap up kamikaze on the internet lately. You should see this shit.